In general terms, pit recon or any type of excavation reconciliation is a measure of how the as-built excavation has conformed to the design. So it's an overview or a review of whether the design and operational practices are appropriate for the in-situ ground and environmental conditions. Why do we complete reconciliations? So why do we bother with all this work that goes into completing excavation recons? In a generalized form, reconciliations determine if our current practice is acceptable. So from a design perspective, are our design parameters correct? And operationally, do we have the right systems and processes in place to help us achieve that design? It's a measure to determine if site is achieving the required metrics. For open pit, we're looking at obviously crest loss, toe flare, catch capacity, bench face angle. Highlighting these areas of non-conformance also allows us to review the implications that this has on an operation. We can then identify and resolve the root cause and obviously fix what's going wrong and improve what we're doing going forward. So we can quantify the impact of a system, process, or change,